In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to track certifications effectively. Tracking certifications is an essential task for managing both personal development and team compliance. Using Monday.com simplifies this process significantly by providing a dynamic and organized way to keep everything straight. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Monday.com. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The first step to organizing your certifications is to create a new board. To do this, look towards the left side of your screen and click on the plus sign, the one you'll find adjacent to your existing boards. This button is your gateway to building new organizational structures within Monday.com. After clicking the plus sign, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the option labeled Board. This selection will prompt you to name your board. The board name is an important element that sets the stage for your certification tracker. It should be clear and descriptive, such as certification tracking or team certifications, to ensure that you and your colleagues can easily identify its purpose. Once you've decided on a suitable name, type it into the provided field. Next, confirm your new board by clicking on the Create Board button. With your new board created, it's time to customize it for tracking certification specifically. Focus on adding columns that will help you organize pertinent certification details. Start by adding a date column to track certification expiry dates, which is crucial for maintaining valid and up-to-date certifications. Click on the plus icon located on your board, then select the date option, which will insert a new date column. Once the date column has been added, click on it and rename it to expiration. This title ensures clarity about what the data in the column represents, keeping focus on the timeline of each certification's validity. Moving forward, you'll want to add additional columns to capture other important details. Click the plus icon again, and this time, choose numbers from the list. This could be used as a counter or for numeric data associated with each certification, such as the number of attempts, scores, or levels obtained. The beauty of Monday.com is in its flexibility, so feel free to adjust these columns as necessary to best fit your specific needs. With these foundational steps completed, you now have a robust framework within Monday.com for tracking certifications efficiently. This process allows you to ensure that all relevant data is accessible and organized, making it much easier to maintain a comprehensive overview of your or your team's certifications. By leveraging Monday.com's intuitive interface, you can always stay on top of what certifications are upcoming for renewal, as well as monitor compliance within your organization.